FASTOM. All of you are leaders. I am Sir Andrew Linkoy, the General Secretary of FASTOM. And at this moment, I would like to request Sir Mayborn Lingdo to give us the report of the meeting today. Sir Mayborn, kindly give the report.
Thank you, Sir Andrew. So, good evening, everyone. Are you tired? Yes. You are tired but not tired at the same time. Very good. That is a very good approach. So, I guess you know today we went to meet the Deputy Chief Minister, Sir Tynsong, along with me, then Sir Andrew here, then Sir Khadosal, Pak Dining, then Sir Sanbon, then Pak War as well, and also Pak Robert Jun Kajaran. So the meeting that we had with Sir Preston today, just to let you know, it was being facilitated by the district magistrate, that is by the DC's office, and also by Pak Robert Jun. So just to let you know. So the fact that we shift from there to here, it came out something very positive. So which is a good thing. And in case some of you are doubting, you can doubt after the report that I will give you. Now listen to me very carefully. We will report to you, what was being discussed with the Deputy Chief Minister. We will report, okay? We will not take the decision. The decision will be yours. But we will just report. So you listen very carefully to the report. Clear? So that you do not ask me questions here and there later on, and you do not talk ulta in the group. So you listen very carefully. And those people who are not here, they should not speak on the group if they are not here. If you are here and you do not understand, I am here. So you come and ask me. But do not talk ulta in the group. One thing. Clear? So let's move on to the report. What is the report? So today at 12:30 p.m. we were being called to the office of the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sir Preston. So when we sat there with him, we discussed our plight, we discussed why we were sitting here, we discussed why we came back to the streets, and then we discussed why are we protesting again. So with regards to that, Sir Preston told us this. He told us that the government is looking into our matter very seriously. So we told him, sir, that it is something that we already know. Then we also told him, sir, we seek for 3 cabinet meetings with the government, from the government, and after the 3 cabinet meetings, we are supposed to get an answer on the order and the notification of when and how much we are going to get. Then he told us this. He said, yes, we have sat in the cabinet meetings, but he also told us that because in the last cabinet meeting, that is in the 3rd cabinet meeting, since the education minister was absent, they were not able to approve our demands. And then we also moved forward when we discussed more about our file and our demands. The Deputy Chief Minister said that the cabinet is ready, listen very carefully, the cabinet is ready to approve our demand. He said all the file work is done, and he gave us the assurance. I will quote him exactly what he said. He said, you need not worry. Your demands will be completed in the next cabinet meeting. And he also said that in the next cabinet meeting, the top priority is our demands. But we said, even if it's just an agenda, then if you do not approve, it's no use. Then he said, I assure you, it means the Deputy Chief Minister assured us that he will, and the cabinet, all of the cabinet, has decided to approve our demands by 101%. So he said this, he said, we will give you 101% in the next cabinet meeting, and he said, they will approve. That is what we got from them. So he also told us that since we will give you what you have asked, it is the wish, he said, it is the wish of the government and it is the wish of his, that we the teachers also cooperate and we return back home to rest. But I told him, sir, that is a decision that we cannot make. That is a decision that all of you will have to make. Since in custom, we are just representatives, we are all leaders. So that all of the people in custom are leaders, so they have a right to decide. So let me make it very clear, which means that in the next cabinet meeting, we said that is going to be held in the next few days, our demands, it's no longer confirmed, it's no longer assured, but it will be approved. So when we say approved, it means we will get. Clear? So we will get in the next cabinet. And I asked him again, but sir, maybe we can wait here for the Chief Minister. Then he said, if you do not take his word, it means you do not trust him. So he also asked us to trust him. And he said, I'm not forcing you. You want to sit there, you sit. But it depends on the teachers. So the same thing we will leave to you. What you want to do, whether you want to sit here or you want to go home, that is up to you. You talk among yourselves. Clear? You talk among yourselves what you want to do. But it is shared. We have addressed the press. He is also addressing the press right now. That in the next cabinet meeting, our demands will be approved. Once we say approved, it means we will get the notification and we will get the order. That is what we got from the office of the Deputy Chief Minister. So it depends on you now to decide. What do you want to do? Yes, listen, you discuss among yourselves what do you want to do. So for some, I will also explain in Kasi. No, I think it's fine. Kaya habang yung tando, antara si Subot Menteri, Bawal nakasarkar, bakan ay kata demand jungi, bak kumjoro namar ba, ngayon pa yung kata notification na ko order. Ikom ta usumbot menteri ulay itu ingi ba kadaw ba kikampala ban approve ya kani ka demand jungi ha ka cabinet meeting ka balale kalong namar ba u menteri ba dipet ya ka kuli puti sa lakmen dumboy u klam poi syaka cabinet meeting na kidaw ba melakyar ikom ta kiklamla ban approve ya kata ka demand jungi klam ka jingdon ringkat Jamu Education Minister ulah kena bumbui. Ikom ta usumbut menteri ulay itu ingi ba gila shem karai bah ka next cabinet meeting kata ka banlang ha ini kisni ke banuan bakin sa approve no ya kata ka demands kejomi. But ulah aidu kata assurance ka ba sispa 100%. Yang ala kali na sa kano persen biyang manay yung kano persen bila lang di kana kinay ang sispa 100%. Siya mangin mi biyang nagakamera jang ba Preston nila kali biyang sa hisin sa kano persen biyang sispa 100% ngin ibad. Si kumta iba Preston ila ong ini ba midai ban sim yang takarai ke ba ila sim tangasi ba kandai ke rai ke ba ke cabinet hi kalak sim ba dah ke next cabinet meeting ke ban long kini di sini ka ta ka demand jungi kandai ka top priority kandai ka number 1 agenda bakru bakin approve sinon hindi bakan datang ke agenda ki ong bakin approve sinon namanga ong iki lada kadi agenda ka approve ka mentoy yang kin approve no ya katakan demand de kuman supuntet de biru lihat bangila ya turu ya ba Preston ya iba Preston maaf ya ha dalam gumnuru ni hapura mo ya iba Preston ya iba Preston ya iba Preston Pak Preston sebuah mak yang ya iba Preston ni ong ba ni te ngimla man siya karay bangin mi na nang nene bangin nang syong ne bangin up ya kataka cabinet meeting bakandap te iba Preston doi laong yang kata yang asoto yang aburam barang ki namar ni ang iba Preston ha Preston mangi gibalai drong ha po jong ka kamera jong ini dari tangki representative jong ki andai baro dei kilindas baro kila bansim ya karai bat baro kila bansim ya karai na bentai ya labi simat de kumta ni e haki iwe simat ba penrai menta ba pindang syang ni ne pindet nyo selagi jong kiyeng kisam tiba Preston ila ong ruba ikerpat ya kinohikai ba kinlet nyo selagi jong kiyeng kisam bat kin up ya kata approval na yeng om ban up hungni nama ba ong ba kalong ka ba jinjar kisungtu ikinohikai bikin syang masurok ke wat kataru ngin ya kata karai hati iwe dia kumta kumta yakran hi para mapi kay ba pili banne kay karay ka ba pinsim la kay siyeng ne tembang syong ni ngingin om penbo de no naman nila om bangin om penbo de no kasyong karay ju pinsimat kata ga jing suko ka bangiyo nang tay kalong ba kata ka file jungi lagi kata demand jungi din sa approve by ada cabinet meeting kabanwan itu syok karang itu tingin ai po repi sa pentip ini saya berpirai ngingin dangkan ngindang api nada pirai bapilit na siyingru ipediang nada pirai bapinsyong niru ngin hak bandang syong lang bapi rela da baro kia rai bapilit na selagi jong giyeng sam ngirong inlet na selagi jong kiyeng kisam naman ba usembut menteri pula daksim ya kata ka karai uang bola daksim ya kata karai haringkat bagi naman ba menteri chief minister unsawan lasai di kumta uang ba ka jing simra ju gede gaju ini api babunya